Take me to Pinegrove Deli.
I go to this place a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I play tennis at Boone Park, and the all league tennis is usually in the afternoons. So every time we're done, we head over there. You know, what's awesome about this place is that it's a second generation owned business. You know, we've been in business for 80 years, third generation. And so there's something to be said about a business that's been a part of the community. And again, what we're doing today is we're just supporting local. Right.
The boys grew up, and now they took over, and I'm just supervisor now. Without them, I couldn't do it by myself. I did it by myself for 40 years till they grew up. But today, without the family, the backbone of the business, what we do is we do it with love, and we don't give it to anybody except the very best. And that's how we do it. I've known Nimnicht for 50 years. They've been in business a long time. They're good people.
Look at them wheels. Wow, what a cool car. Cool truck. This is a Chevy?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Man, I love it, man. It's nice.
Oh man.
Roomy, real nice.
Lots of room. Engine start. Look at that.
Oh wow. Wow, that's nice.
That
man.
thing's loaded. This thing.
Really nice. Man.
This thing has,
I mean,
more stuff than Ford. Don't use that.
No, I'm gonna use that.
I love all the compartments too. Lots of compartments. Look at that. Yeah, lots of leg
Very
room,
nice. Roomy.
headroom. Look at that nice sunroof. Wow, I love it. Thank you for supporting us. Welcome to Pinegrove. Come by and try us out.
Support local.
Support local. Love it.